5 approach towards music production. If you are passionate about music production and you don't know where to start with, this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 approaches you use in order for you to enhance your music production and also bring good results to your music. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out in our new videos. Here are the 5 approaches. Number 1, songwriting and ideation. If you don't have a good idea about what you want to create, you will never create that thing to make it look good. The second approach towards music production is sound selection. You cannot really make music without you having the idea of the sound you want to make. So let's, for instance, you want to make something, you want to create something, you want to produce something and you don't have the ingredients of what you want to produce. You can never produce that thing. The same thing is applicable to music production. So if you want to have a good music production, you need to identify the kind of sounds, the kind of instruments that you want to put in your music. The third approach towards music production is arrangement and structure. If you don't have a good arrangement of your music, whether you are starting from the verse, whether you are starting from the chorus, whether you are starting from the hook, you never come up with a good music, like a professional sounding music, because if your music is not well arranged, it can never be well recorded. So music arrangement is the third approach you need to understand while making your music. Then mixing. Mixing is a vital thing we need to do in music production because it's all about the cutting out and the cutting in, the recording, the echoing, everything that has to do with the sound and the output of the entire project you just made. So mixing is one of the basic approach you need to use to approach your music production. And the last one is mastering. Before you can master a song, you need to listen to the song a couple of times to know if you really make a mistake. For you to know that your song is good, you need to listen to the song a couple of times and understand that the song is of good quality before you can move on to mastering. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like and comment this video, and watch out our next video on how to really produce beat. This is the very step-by-step blueprint I'm giving out to everyone that want to start their music production. So check out the link in the description of this video and check out this video so you have access to the new step-by-step process on how to start your music productions.